Here we are at the Towers Shopping Center here in Roanoke. This is the elevator here. We got an Otis Hydrofit. Very nice. Let's go up to 2. It's a very nice elevator. This elevator actually replaced a set of vintage Otis escalators here. They installed this just for ADA compliance. It's getting interesting that they replace a set of escalators for this thing. But it has to happen at some point, obviously. So it's actually pretty nice. Yes, we're at the Towers Mall. And this thing is definitely interesting. It was the elevator. Yeah, so anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.